how to make transparent background in inShot on Mac. So all you're gonna have to do is to place here your image where you want to remove or make the background transparent. And once you are here, we want to find option cut out. So it's this little icon and click it, and it will automatically make your background transparent. So all you need to do now is to click done, or you can modify here the remover. If I click here, I can click on brush and simply modify that background remover and click on done, and this part will be visible. Also, if you want to, you can add here the outline. Click on this option and select your preferred outline, and you can also select here the color and then click on done. So basically that's how you can do it and make your transparent background in inShot on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.